Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to sell wall art with Gelato Print on demand. So first, you need to create an account in Gelato. This is what it looks like. And then here you have to tap on the create product right here, or you can connect first your Gelato to a selling platform such as Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, or even TikTok Shop. So you have options right here. All you have to do is to connect your store. Now, once connected, you can now proceed with designing your wall art. You can create your design using Gelato tools. So, for example, I'm going to sell or I'm going to design wall art. So, I'm going to type here art or wall art, or you can also do like poster or something like that. So, what you're going to do now is you just have to basically create this design. But if this one is not available, then you can choose another art wall design. So let's just say this one right here. Now, if you can see create order, then you can design this one. So click this one and then you can now edit and design this wall art using the Gelato tools. On the left side, there is this upload text, and you can also look for stickers and effects. For this one, you can add and then save this as a design or template. You can also use a third-party application or tools such as Canva, easy and beginner-friendly, Adobe, Photoshop, Procreate. Always remember that use high resolution, focus on popular themes like minimalist, abstract, kids room, or nature illustration. For example, this one right here, tap on share, and then download. You can also tap on or select transparent, but everything is up to you. Once done, go back to your Gelato, upload the file, drag it right here. Again, you can delete the first one. Okay, this is just an example. You can add text or more designs. Once done, publish this to your store. So publish it, then you can add a retail price for this one. So your product will appear in your Etsy, Shopify if you have connected your Gelato there. So that's how easy it is to simply sell wall art with Gelato Print on Demand. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.